Kani kediga Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Haka khatlai tarik mantau bana jembang arajar arpau ki Seng Bhalang jong kari lum jantia rengkat ki senjok wahe snong ka East Giant Hills District bat ki Seng khai Dewïong lembat ki Paidbah nong snong kani ka district kilami Paidbah ban Pyrshah ye ka jing peteng ka jing Wanrah ye Dewïong na ka jela Assam syakani ka jela Meghalaya kini ki Seng ki klem khanshu ya ka an jong ka sarkar ka bala penjari da ka section 144 CRPC wat hadian ba ka sarkar kala patharu ban omilum Paidbah ha ka ju ka jaka kani ka jing mi Paidbah ka dai namar ba ka sarkar kam syam lasngap ya ka jing dawa jong ki nong snong ka East Giant Hills District bat ki Seng Bhalang ki balami ha kani ka ski ki kemthop ya ka jantia amalgamated redressal forum ka East Giantia Coal Suppliers Association ka Giantia Coal Miners and Dealers Association ka Meghalaya People Labour Union bat ki senjok wahe snong ka East Giant Hills District nangta ka Giantia Students Movement ka Khasi Students Union ka Giantia Students Union ka Meghalaya People's United Front ka East Giantia National Council ka New Trap Achek National Movement lambat ki Paidbah nong snong hadin balayo jingtep alor kani ka jingmi Paidbah ki Paidbah bat ki Seng Bhalang nakalyang u Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Giant Hills District ba FM Dop rengkat USP ka East Giant Hills u Vivekanand Seng kila hiar sekani ka jaka banyakran bakeno ilam jong ki Seng bat haka bakado hi ki Paidbah rengkat kini ki Seng Bhalang kila aipor sausngi ka sarkar halor ki jingdawa jongki.
But we are afraid that this virus will come through this truck and through this driver having and it will come through our district, sir. So who will be responsible, sir, if this disease come here? Because all the trucks and all has not been sanitized.
Okay, I got your point. There are SOPs in place. Whenever a vehicle arrives in Ratachera or Barnihal, vehicle is disinfected. The drivers and the handyman, only 3 persons are allowed per vehicle, as you are aware, as per MHA guidelines. To one driver, one helper plus one more guy. All of them are screened. Temperature scanning is done. If required, we do the test also. We have rapid test kits in Unkian. We get the test done. We do all the data entry and the SOPs which are being given by World Health Organization, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, our government, those are strictly being followed. Even if, suppose, cold production stops, what will we do with our rice supplies, other essential commodities? Drugs have to come. We cannot be hungry, no? Isn't it? Nadrumba is a big wholesale market, right? Drugs are coming every day from both sides. We are taking all due precautions as recommended by experts. So let me assure you, on that front, we are following all the protocols very stringently. So don't worry about it. We have to be alert 24 hours. Team of magistrates, police officers, all my staff here, team of doctors, they are 24/7 on the job. Ratachera, Shosri, have you seen? 24 hours. Police is there. Checking passes, checking vehicles. Sometimes we send them back, no, you are not authorized. So let us do that, because the need of the hour is, I have to fight this COVID-19. And as far as coal is concerned, you all know this is ongoing for last 5-6 years now. Okay, sometimes some relief is there, sometimes it stops. So this is whole legal issue involved there. Even if government is willing to auction, the process, the due process of law which is to be followed will take some time. And due to all these restrictions, offices are shut down, offices are operating at 50% strength, people cannot move freely. So that is creating some delay. Please try to understand that. Government is with you. We as DC and SP, we have conveyed to every possible forum. Honorable Chief Minister is in know-how. He is considering the matter. We are aware of it. Honorable Home Minister, Honorable Chief Secretary, Honorable DGP sir, you met the other day, Director General of Police. He has also taken up the matter with the government. We are doing it on a daily basis. It's not that we are not looking into it. Only thing is there is a due process of law involved. That takes some time. That cannot be just done in a day or two. So my humble request with folded hands, I am requesting you, please go back to your homes. Please think about your village, your families, your children. If any of us test positive tomorrow, it will be total havoc. It will be total shutdown, red zone. We will demarcate contaminated zone. This area will become a contaminated zone. This containment zone. No one will be allowed to enter. No one will be allowed to come out. Then the general public is in for much more trouble. Please try to understand. All of you are wise. Most of you are parents yourself. Please think about your children. Please think about your
We
families.
agree with you, sir.
Please, with folded hands, I am requesting you, please call off these protests. At least till this lockdown period is there. After that, free to do. It's a democracy. You have all the fundamental rights to protest. Please do protest, but till lockdown period, please work with us. Let us fight with this COVID-19, not amongst ourselves. We have to fight collectively. We cannot afford to fight separately, that only DC and SP is fighting and people are not with us. No, it cannot be like that. Because ultimate losers will be all of us.
Against the government, nakaliang yung mining assure, I don't touch with this country. Along pag nila man kasi yung percent ini kam, kita may lockdown. So kumala rishi banai. So ang please hado fratri pun punda of fratri June. No, yang pag berdina ni lockdown ini ya. Memang pakai kendu itu ujat jam itu NGT. Yang nila ya pressurize. Hado kata orang bersama mah. This complaint ni nakaliang Saya jengaro atau so advocate general ban pelaj ni option bangidon ban I advise ban sang ban option ni bangidon hangni sang paling supaya ba nang hiro ban option tang cement plan nah itu bagi ko abang na option nga ay pada ke notice na dia public notice tu ki kena dia penway hiprang ni boyo video banyo itu ta kelis nantar banyo ban Salon support ini cement plant. Jadi pengimbang production lo kami purely for cement plant. Mengidan kami kita, mengidan kita lagi peraja. Menciptakan kebenaran penting sebenarnya. Nah, jadi kerja auction yang kulitnya itu kemat sekecil rasio. Sampai kan we are working supaya patro itu tujuan kami ini mana kan. Jadi kita mesti nabi up, mesti nabi Malaysia.
And kata saya Malaysia, there is no problem at all. Tang ba kabang tua mentah kata bapa transportation kata dah sangat.
Yes, social distancing is government. 1 meter.
Ini ada request. Nak dia tu seperti blok ini. Ada you, ada me.
Kata saya ngirung setu bapa piru di kumka bandar di setu bapa pilih lagi keluar bandirat ini. Aktif itu sekali songro setu ini bapa PSP keluar ready bandirat ini. Andai government pakam semua tu saya.
Beli kamu semua. Ini saya curang kita benda itu ini. Nah, maksudnya itu mana option itu. Berarti kita ni government nah. Kita dulu kamu semua. Lain pilih supply ini kan kita sih lain pilih supply. Kenapa kau pilih supply ke government? Kamu kemana? Kamu kemana ya? Supply. Lain itu kita terus kita lihat. Buat apa kau pilih supply? Jadi pilih supply government. Kalau something sama government.
Macam tu aja ni dah baru dah. Kalau semua tu gini dah.
Kajing besar ba ni ba kekutang hajing ikren deh. Nama kajing ikren hoi ang ni Dewïong kumtan redang ba kasakar petang semak ini. Kani kapan pau ya Paidbah ba ngin dom deh. Kalau kai ikren hang ni hoi ni itre kambat ki. Itre kai kajing epat kalau ba ketang kajing ikren mereka kampat kamla kamle. Dekane kalau
ini apa kita fatrik itu keluar benda kita fatrik ini lockdown ini sama harga.
hoi kai kasakar kau cingkial ya kani dan Paidbah.
Ya, kerja Pyrshah ini tam leh haji deh, bah deh kan Singapura, baru ni Jepang COVID-19.
kalian kata so di bu kasing depan bat ni bu kasing dawah Ahmad jongpi ke distrik ni sir la subuh la tapi om pun tam sir dengi kuat bertempat bah lek keluar la ni pun jarak keluar ban pempoi ban ai kan mesti seduk so ka setra nang bakal la yang ni namar bah hapok ke tan ni lai namar borok so Paidbah sir idon ke simah dan kata kata sir ni pun disujud ni ban se ban pempa ban ni smart
Patrick ini update Patrick ni berapa ni? Sama ada lada Patrick option ngatai tu. Ini sementan kita ada pun orang nak bah. Betul. Patrick Jun. Mah Patrick Jun. Berapa itu? Mah. Kalau dah ni assessment ni government is trade spec lo kata. Semua mau ikan. Ikut itu. Wan tu Dewïong pun akan wan nabar besi lek ni kita dapat survive. Kamu ikut ini proses. Penting tu Dewïong. Cepat lah itu arposan cepat. Tahu ya. Ini Thailand memang betul di sini. Bobek bawah. Lek ini kita posisi semua tu. Nah, pasal dengan kawan kamai tu. Kita lami ke zon mungong ni tu. Nangi. Ini apa? Kontak truk. Kan ini belum more dangerous di sini. No, kalau ni no, kan ini bentak.
Kampat dekat red zone kena ke distrik jom ikan dekat
kalau ni red zone tak sini.
No, we agree sir. This is one thing.
Subuh sa kata dekat pancing keran sa batang kera mangingim dan sure. Sakan nong insure ki bana ba. Sakan nong tikina kita ke bawah na ba. Hanung santai bisa kena kuat komentar dengan kebuing kita distrik. Kereta apa distrik saja. Sedang pensengai kini kini temu nak kalian ke distrik kan stop suai kini kita bawa nabar. Stop, you don't authority mana?
We request you sir to convey the message to them.
Yes.
If they are willing to cooperate, they
No, kasi hindi ko. Kini herman ka dan. Ada pun slow. Kalau aku pi kini ro. The government reply kini ko.
That's all we want. Nothing more. That's all.
Option 4.
That process is also started already.
No, people are meeting mo nito. Nilai na meeting sa option.
The drugs should be stopped immediately. Nakaliang tu misal, sekolah. Suami ikut di longkang tu, saat ini nakaliang dah hidup di ini orang tu sama dengan jumut di tolong ngomong. Di ini nakaliang sebut sah ni dawa ni bu in I4 masa kumba arne lice ni sir. Masa ibu kumba arne lice ni. Di sebut nang ba hidup nakaliang tu.
Tapi apa di kota Patrick ini government election. Action yang government Patrick. Ya kita government di bawah beri sengit sebab bisa government tak lah ni menilai. Buat government. So,
jadi orang mesinjuk election kerja mu. So you said you wait till date of
end of June.
So in the meantime, also please do not allow drugs to come till the date of June. That's all we want. We are going to cooperate.
I said we cannot do. We are to government.
We are standing here because of this only, sir.
We can be, no. If I say I will not, I'm not competent. Ministry today immediately they remove me. They remove me today, sir.
So ini saya kecil Kristen dan komodisi
Not within our branch. Dewïong ba? Ngan haban kan. Then I have no authority, no. Then government of ministry will say, who is that DC? Get him out. Get him out. Suspend him.
We cannot do something which we are not
I
authorized.
will only feel your voices, then I'll only send to government. It's not because I'm DC that I can do anything.
Sir, lado sedang ngalaong sir. We know that you also don't have authority, even SP, you don't have authority. You are just a government servant, and as per the instruction of the government, you have to follow. We know that. We are very clear with that. But what we want to do today is nothing at all. Just stop the vehicle carrying coal from Assam. We will withdraw all and everything. That's all you want.
Wanrah association ko MH Zentia, hini por de Wanrah kiaman vidi pilang. Wa kamnu yada yunyu kyang jipang yang mana dia pilangi dia kena elangi curu-curu ke polis departemen curu-curu kat kama pa audisi ndrei la daga sarkar mago ya gani jing dawa yo I ndrei haden susni I usangai no I mi kena elang I bu sarkar la dia ki bru yong I go wan na bari yong state I ule kerentanya cinong le imle di song ha jing ba le yong disi
Nagaliang upha da tiki chau disi.
Upha bisa disi. Indrai I udam ya kerelang. Ya kitu ki bru wan nabar. I ayo jing ba kle yang sarkar.
Kau man gani. Kini kitrok muyong kiwa wan kit muyong na Assam. Sa kini gisemen plan sini chapo dan lagi man kesni. Ni em ne wayo kem wayo so.
Kat kama man lado ka tugnya tarik idak so igi indrai ida abi ida ong bisi isna ba. Da ong di puli da isna ba sangai no gani to ya kelam stai ini ya kelam yaki nado SP hado DGP ta imem ucari gitrok ndai yoi gitrok ko kit muyong lagi man gasni I hado ne gasni imem telasi gitrok ta telasi jisen telasi sem sukia di hatu gasni kama ar tali ndai maman gasni ki pulit bon kam ki kate dadang step ulai skot ki ya gagari kit muyong nai tai na chachre hado poi malidor hado poi factory city man gasni ite ta wayu ku Paidbah udah cem langgi Paidbah wat ile wayo yu bayang I wa warok sunjuk wa ha chinong lane ki seng Bhalang lane ki seng muyong ku em is jantia karwa ke sarkar memus apa ya kejing Pyrshah yang I ya kejing wan yang kujut ni tanah Assam hawa ong kujut jimut Wanrah yang muyong karwa kamte warok ki Paidbah ni step dia mi ini halat jadi iya mudi chong ate surok ndai nagaliang yang SP UDC tedakang dia I da ong hi tosna ba pori I sosngi la do mentu gesngi ter hado khandru tare wa I penbor ya sarkar karwi wala yo ulai ujia kat ke ni jingjia we da klam le ha jing to nagaliang SP da ong le wa kat ni MP sanspa ruspa angut ki Paidbah larjia na perdiyong pi wiu man positif warok bi hab tu puchon ko chong kentai te karo kamte kesurung Paidbah ya klam lang warok da ong yo ulai ujia warok ini ndre nagaliang yang I kerpari ke sarkar snawa sange no yung Wanrah na po Assam knawa yo ulai ujia ni warok.
It is 32 lakhs metric tons and
2 lakhs was approved by NGT.
Yes, 2 lakhs were approved by NGT, exactly. So once that was approved, we had certain clarifications that Coal India had asked for. So I had a discussion with the Honourable Coal Minister about 10 days back. I wrote a letter also to him, and after his intervention, the permission was given, and so now we are in the process, and I think hopefully very soon, very soon I should say, maybe a week or 10 days time, we should be able to float the necessary expressions. Not we, sorry, the concerned authority, which is Government of India's authority, which will be floating the auctioning. Well, I can understand their concerns, but it's really a matter of legality, and therefore, though their concerns are there, their emotions are there, the fact that this coal is coming from outside, we have our limitations because of the legal challenges that we faced. And therefore, at this point in time, we are trying to resolve it. So therefore, I would request all of them to understand the current situation and give the government time, and very shortly we should be able to resolve this.
Will government take action, because this is the time when we do, government has to not allow people to break social distancing, but
yeah, we have asked already DC and SP to take necessary action, and accordingly we will try to resolve the situation also.